somebody put a garland of chappals, footwear on Dr. Ambedkar's statue. And when the people in the colony came out to protest, the police arrived and without any warning they shot 10 people dead on the spot, without warning, without tear gas. And then 4 days after this event, on the 15th of July 1997, a poet, an activist friend who lived nearby, his name was Vilas Gogre, Shair Vilas Gogre, he went to see what had happened at Ramabai colony, and he got so depressed by what he saw that he went back to his hut in Mulund and he hung himself. After that event, I wanted to understand why Vilas had killed himself. And so the whole film is an exploration of many things. The court cases that began against the police, that the police put court cases against the people they had shot at. Then I started to explore the music of protest, because Vilas had been singing songs about the condition of Dalits and the condition of the working class for many decades, and I had recorded his music for almost 10 years. So I used a lot of his songs in this film, but I also looked at other filmmakers from the tradition of protest, and that is when I met Sheetal Sate and Kabir Kalamanch, that you will see in the second half of the film. But the film looks at a long tradition of rationality and a long tradition of protest music that has existed in our country. Unfortunately, our history books don't teach that, our schools and colleges don't teach that, so we have been stuck with a Brahminical version of history throughout the country. So this is an attempt to correct that and to look at another vision. We'll have a discussion after the film, because I don't want to sit and give you any kind of lecture. I know where we are and why we are here, and this is in memory of Vilas Gogre, but obviously it is in memory also of Rohit Vemula. And I understand that Rohit had seen this film many times. That actually makes me feel very ambivalent, because somewhere something might have stuck in his mind about what he saw. Anyway, this incident in Ramabai colony, the act of sacrifice that Vilas Gogre did, the act of sacrifice that Rohit has done, well, we thought that Vilas Gogre will shake up the country, and for a while he did shake up the country. For a while there was a huge mass movement all across Maharashtra protesting against the atrocities on Dalits. And now we are at a time when there's a huge mass movement throughout the country talking about what has happened to Rohit and how we have to prevent such things from happening ever again. So I hope that this country will not go to sleep after the death of Rohit. Thank you.